So yeah, I got a problem here with these pads. As you can see, the left one is wedged. The reason why is that is because the previous person who did these pads did not do the proper procedure. I'm replacing here this bearing for this Alfa Romeo. It has 450,000 kilometers, so it's time to replace it. It's not good, as you can hear. And in order to remove the bearing assembly here, you have to take out the brake caliper and the brake carrier. And as you can see, these two intails over here have to be horizontal, not vertical like this. And in that way, that little peg over there has to fit on one of the intails over here. The consequences may vary, but normally the pedal feel is awkward, is a bit spongy. Also, the rotor may end up hitting more on the one side and then another, and obviously we'll have unequal wear on the pad, and that can lead you to steel on steel wear.